Wow, another TikTok makeup viral hack. I must be on fire. Never mind. Assalamu alaikum beautifuls. How are you today? Do let me know in the comment section that how are you doing today. So in today's video we're gonna try lipstick hack. So if you're interested then let's start the video. अच्छा जी ये thank God I'm not late for this viral TikTok hack, and this is basically about lips. Lips. होता क्या है, करना क्या है, as you see from the thumbnail, that all we need is to ombre our lips, but not horizontally. We're gonna ombre it vertically. Let's try. अच्छा जी, उसके लिए you need to have at least three colors, and probably सब वैसे लिक्विड लिपस्टिक से ही करे तो मैं लिक्विड लिपस्टिक से ही कर रही हूँ. इस वक्त मैंने लिप्स पे थोड़ा सा लिप ग्लॉस अप्लाई किया है to make this work easily. Let's see what happens. So करना ये है कि you start with the darkest color on the edges. Then we're gonna go for light pink color. By the way, these all are local lipsticks, they don't have any names. So, and on the middle, the lightest pink color. अब करना ये है कि I think I should do this one more. I have to outline. Yeah, that's much better. This is wearable. This is definitely wearable. You know, I used to wear heavy, thick outline lipsticks when I was early ages of applying makeup. So, मेरी एक cousin है Iram. She used to hate that style, and she said, outline वाली lipstick मत लगाया करो, बड़ी बुरी लगती है. And now this lipstick is in fashion. What do you think, guys? Is it wearable lipstick or not? Well, I don't think so, but I think I can make it wearable. Like when you like this. When we मतलब ombre it horizontally, बहुत लिपस्टिक लग गई मेरे whole lips. This is much wearable, but still I'm not a big fan of heavy outlines. So yeah, this is my whole video. Hope you like my video. If you like, then don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Do let me know in the comment section, would you like to follow this trend? And before you leave, don't forget to check out these videos. These are also very interesting lips hacks and lipstick videos. So I will see you in my next video. Until then, take very good care of yourself and the loved ones around you. Allah Hafiz, guys.